Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get this amazing app on your Firestick, which has it all. It's got movies, TV shows, as well as live TV. So basically everything that you might be interested in. And the whole setup process is actually really easy too. So without any further ado, let me show you how to get that amazing app to your Firestick device. And now firstly, you will have to get the app called Downloader to your Firestick. You can get Downloader free of charge. Just go to search on your device, open the search bar, and start typing Downloader in here. And as you can see now, the Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app. Just click on Downloader, and here's this app, which you need to get to your device. But after you got Downloader, it's not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now in order to actually set up Downloader, let's go to settings by clicking this button with a gear icon, then you scroll down and go straight to My Fire TV. Open it, and now in here, what you have to do is turn on the developer options on the Fire Stick. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see the developer options now. Open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps. And in here, what you gotta do is locate the downloader. Here it is, and turn that option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So now we just go back to the list of apps on your Fire Stick. Let's open it. There it is. And in here you will find the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on the Fire Stick. But before actually using downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Droid TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. Now, all you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say you will connect to Canada right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is gonna be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you wanna stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video or in the description of this video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So I go back to the list of apps on your device. Let's open it, and now head for the Downloader application. So let's open it up as well. And now here, all we have to do in Downloader is open the search bar and type in the code, which will be 764496. So once again, 764496, that is the whole code you have to enter. Then just click on Go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Firesticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot. And now the download of the app has started. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your internet connection speed. And then after the app got downloaded, you also need to make sure to install it to your device. So click on the installation button, and now the installation process should be finished. That usually also takes between 5 and 10 seconds. And then don't click on open yet, instead press done, as this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick. So just click on delete and then delete once again. This way you will be able to save yourself some free space on your Firestick. And it's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And then let's go back to the list of apps on your device. Here it is, let me open it. And now, when it loads, at the bottom we should be able to find the new app, which we just got for you. There it is. And now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the Options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines, right next to the Home button on your remote. Just click on it and then press on Move to Front on the right side menu. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online when using such apps. And once again, you can use the link below this video to get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free. Then let's finally open this app. And now finally, in this application you get access to the best movies, TV shows, as well as the live TV, of course. I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact movies available in this app. But in your case, of course, it's not gonna be blurred. So enjoy it all and see you next time. Bye bye.